Good morning, guys. Now, today we are going to start a new chapter of mathematics, that is a square and square root. So, guys, we will see some basic concept about this chapter. First is what is a square? What is a square? When we multiply any number two times, so that we can find the square of that particular number. Means x into x, that is a x square. This is how to write any numbers square. Just like 4 into 4, we can write it 4 to the power 2. The power 2 show the process of a square, and the value is 16. So you can find any numbers square by multiplying that number two times. Now second is square root. Square root is a number for any larger number. By multiplied it twice, we can find that larger number. Just like x is y square, means x is a number and we can find x by multiplying y twice, like this. So we can say that the square root of x is y, or we can say it x to the power 1 by 2. In the case of a square, we take power as a 2, but in the case of square root, we can take power as a 1 by 2 is equal to y, or we can say it, this is the way to show square roots. Now after this, there are some important questions and method to find the square and square root of given number. Now to find the square is very simple. If any number is given to you, you have to find the square of that number like this. By simple multiplication, we can find the square of any numbers. Now for the higher studies and for competition exam like bank, SSC and other, there are lots of short tricks about to find the square. But this is not in our syllabus, and in any free time I will give you those short tricks. But now there is a how to find the square root. Now to find the square root, there are two basic methods. First method is factorization method. And second is division method. Now I am just describing both methods. Just take a number is 225. Now according to prime factorization, just divide this number in factors. So this number 2 into 4 and 5, 9. This number is divided by 3. 3 sevens are 21 and 3 fives are 15. Now again 3, so there is a 25. 25 divided by 5 gives you 5, and divide by 5 gives you 1. So 225 we can write it 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Now to find the square root, we have to find the number which are in pair, the digits which are in pair. Means 1 3 is here and 1 5 is here. So 3 5s are 15 is the square root of 225. This is the sign for square root, and this sign is equal to the power 1 by 2. Okay. Now second method is division method. I am also showing that method. Now we are solving this question by division method. In a division method, first step, we have to make a pair of the given numbers digit and start with right hand side. So this is the first pair and this is the second pair, and there is only single digit. Now we have to use just one table here, and this table is square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, square of 6 is 26, like this, 36. Okay. Now what is our number? Number is 2. Now we have to write the smallest or equal complete perfect square number nearby 2. So just you can look at here, we have to look in this side, this column. So 1 is the number, yes, you can write 1 here. That number we can write here, yes. Now what is the square root of 1? That is 1. So just write 1 thrice. Here is a operation of multiplication, here is a operation of addition and subtraction. 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. Now this is first step is completed. Now just note down next pair, this is 25. Now we have to take one digit here and multiply that digit. The result will be 125 or less than 125. So if we take 1 here, the 21 ones are, that will be 22. If we take 2 here, 22 twos are 44, 23 threes are 69, that like the 24 fours are, that is 96. And when we take 25 here, so that will be 125. So answer is 15. 15 is a square root of 225. So that's all guys. Thank you very much.